Okay, hello there. This is the third episode of the Overfarm game. Oops, sorry. So in this video, I'm going to be making it look nicer. You can see I've got rid of this, and off camera I made it so when you go over the buy carrot, it says tip, give $5 in return. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, and I also made it so this, but that does literally nothing. So if I get rid of it, that's the same thing. Okay, so now let's make it. So we've got, whenever you hover over the other ones, so it also shows the title because you want to see it on all the other ones as well. So let's go title equals, and then let's make it carrots currently growing . Then for this one, title the amount of carrots you have . The money counter. So when you hover over this, it shows you $5 return. This one, money counter, the amount of carrots you have, carrots currently growing. And let's do one for the multiplier as well. So ID so let's change this to fertilizer. Fertilizer makes crop fertilizer dollars infinite. Title makes crops worth times 2 the normal amount forever. We reload this. Infinite fertilizer makes crops with 2 times the amount forever. And let's do one for harvest as well. So title equals, if you press this button, oops, very bad spelling, this button, you will harvest and sell all of your crops. That's be a lot. Yes, it is a lot. So now let's do, what should we add? Apart from let's just put it into a div. Control X, please let me. Control X, Control V. Just copy this, the closing for that, and then let's put it over here so we can put it into like a section kind of thing. So it doesn't do anything visually, but when we go into the elements, you can see that all of them are combined in this div. Well, container, I don't know what it stands for, but see it has all the data inside for all these buttons. So it just makes a container for it. So let's also give a div a class. Class equals button container. So when we go to art.css, we can go button container. I see container. And then get rid of that extra space. Tab, whatever it is, does it automatically. And then let's background way. We'll just color equal blue. Will it do it with a div or the other one? It just, oh, that's not good. What if we do like a yellow green? If we go yellow green, S, F5, and then padding 10 pixels. So we go around and let's also just add a border. Dotted brown. Oops, I've got this one on this one. It's required on this one. So now we've got a dotted brown border. What if we go double? If we go double. There we go, so here we go. And now it looks nice. Got all the buttons. Just, oh, never mind. So now if we go over here, we can go border dash radius 10 pixels. Now if we see, I've got it's curved. And now if we do the body, now my hair. So here we go, that looks good. Ish, not really. Never mind, it doesn't look good. But okay. Did I change it? No. Now if we go body, go like, no, background dash color colon light brown. Is there a light brown? No, there's no such thing as light brown. There should be a light brown. Why is there no light brown? Hot light salmon. Like a brownish. That looks. If we go font dash family. Arial, and now if we do it, here we go, we can read it better. And now if we also go color white, and they go like font style bold. So this makes them bold, right? No. This font style italic. Does this work? Yeah, that works. Just it doesn't do anything to these ones. And if we go font weight, I guess that's the one. And if we go bold, now does it make it bold? Yeah, that's cool. What about bolder? And if we go 100. I'll throw some pixels. Let's just go bold. Here we go, but bold, white, and what if we make the like background like a brown actually this time. That looks good, I think. That's literally the exact same colour. That's just the same colour. Just go solid. It's different. I could left like a dark green. And then I go double. Here we go. So it should be 2 now. There's 2 small ones, yes. That's what we want. Now I've got that. So we've got these. We've got like little things. Money for money counter. Carrots you have. Carrots currently growing. Tip gives $5 in return. If you press this button, you'll harvest and sell all your crops and makes crops worth 2 times the normal amount forever. Okay, so now if we go into the button container, or if we let's give all of these buttons classes. Class is a name for CSS, and ID is a name for JavaScript. Class equals button. Control C. Control V. Control V. So now, if we go over here, we can go button. So button, dot, button, and then the squiggly thingies. And then if we go like background color, I said background color, and then go like black. It should make the buttons all black. Yes. Or if we go like a grey. Control S, F5. And then we make color green. Here we go. Now let's see that. So you can barely see it. That's not good. Let's just make the color white. And I can see those. So if we make like these green looks okay. If we go border double gray. They should all have like gray borders. We should also do something when to make this look like it does something when you click it. Let's just go border dash radius 10 pixels. Here we go, so now rounded. If we go dot button on, I'll just go active. We can do this. We can go padding, and then or just width and make it wider. So let's go 10 pixels. Is that wider? I don't think so. No, that's very not wider. If we go like 60 pixels and then actually adds the semicolon at the end, is that good? So when you click it, no, if we just go 100 pixels, because that should do it. 100 pixels. And then if we now have a transition, go transition and make it so width 2 seconds. So now when we click it, it should be doing better in 2 seconds. Is it? Oh, that's probably why. Width, and let's make the current width 90 pixels. Here we go. So it gets bigger. Let's make it like 9. Let's just make the normal width 100. And then make its size. Oops, no, wrong one. Go to 110. Try that one with infinite fertilizer. No, 105. Oh, that's 150. I meant to do 105. 105, not 150. Okay, what if we just go 99? Wait, what if we just go start off with 105 and then here we go, and then make it go to 110. So when you click it gets noticeably longer, but not way too long. Then now if we go the button and then go hover, and then if we go width and then 105 pixels. Nope, let's make this one 110 pixels, and then this one up here 120 pixels. Then, oops, Control S. So now when we hover over it, does that, and then it should get bigger as well when you click it. Why is it not getting bigger? Width 110 pixels, 120 pixels. Well, then we just put this one, Control X, and then place this one underneath it. Now when we go over it, then click it again. So here we go. So when you hover over it, it does that. Or if we also make the border different, a different color when you click it. So border, and then let's make the border. What if can we just border like dark gray. It's one word, isn't it? Gray. So when we click it, I've got to go double dark gray. So now when we click it, and if we do a transition as well, so if we go border 2 seconds, then now when we click it, it looks like it's going light grey. What if we make it go light grey? And then you click it. Well, no, what if we just make it go white? So we go white. Then we go up. I see not wrong one. So now if we go to this one, then make this weirdly it's called dark grey. It's brighter. One tick. Okay, we can do it again. Border. Then let's go double, and then go dark grey, grey. And then now if we hover over, it gets brighter, and then if you hold it, it gets to white. Here we go, so we're growing the 2 carrots, and now we can harvest them both. Here we go, so that's nice. What if we like fill that, I want to fill that up. So what if we do fill that up at some point? What if we have, let's just get like a bunch of carrot buttons, Control C, and then Control V, and Control V, Control S. Now, oh, that's good. So you can go like that. It's gonna make sure there's enough space for it to expand. So that's good. So we have multiple different fruits, multiple different fertilizers or whatever, upgrades. Now if we reload it, yeah, we have to be there. So we've got the carrot button, we've got this button, the harvest button. Oops, wrong place. There we go. So we've now got space for extra ones as well, because there's definitely going to be more. Let's also add like a, what else should we add? Let's just add another upgrade for now. So let's add like just another fertilizer. So let's change that to classic fertilizer. Let me just go. Can I give it like, yeah, classic fertilizer, and then we can also go Control C, and then make this better fertilizer, and make this one $200. Class yes button makes crops worth 3 times the amount forever. ID equals multiplier for second one. So now if we go like this, we've got better fertilizer as well. 2 different types of fertilizers. So there we go, that's good. So now if we go to the JavaScript one, copy and paste this. Number 2. Here we go. I don't even know why I reloaded it. Multiplier 2 dot on click. Let's make it like hidden the first time you see it. So buttons, functions, just for the bottom. Let's go. Whatchamacallit? What was? Oops, I'm thinking about it again. Multiplier 2. Multiplier 2 dot style dot visibility. Nope, no sticky keys. I pressed shift 5 times. Equals hidden. So when you reload it, you might be able to like you can barely see it. Me spamming F5. When you, so where is the multiplier? the first multipliers one. It should be like multiplier something. Oh, it has multiplier. And then let's just go multiplier to dot style dot visibility equals visible. Go. So now let me just control I and give me like infinite money. So go money equals 100, 300. Why did I say $300? But now when I press harvest, $300. Classic fertilizer. Here we go, better fertilizer as well. Wait, what if I don't make it hidden? And then go dot text content equals out of stock. How much stuff would they not have to? Let me just go money equals 300 and then harvest to update it. So classic fertilizer is now says out of stock. So what if I just try and add as many words as I can? Out of stock, this store is out of stock, lol. So now when I click it, yes, nothing happens. Control I, and if I go money, tab, enter, harvest by out of stock, lol, and then we can buy a bit of fertilizer when I make it do something. And when you click this, nothing happens. So out of stock. If I go like stock later money equals tab equals what did I just do? Money equals 300. Oh, that's what I got rid of. So now if I get that out of stock, bit of fur. That's classic fur. So now let's add the bitter and fertilizer, and I'll do that off camera. And I'll see you very soon. Goodbye. Okay, I've done it. What I really just did is copy and paste the previous one. So yeah, reloaded already. I'm just give myself 500. Money equals 400. We do 400. Here we go, $400. Have it, and we'll just get classic fertilizer, bit of fertilizer. Can't give them again. And if I buy 50 carrots, this is way from over and fast speed grow. Harvest, this should give me 750 if it works, and it does, because it is a so 5 and 50, that's 100, that's 250 times 2 is 500. And then with the extra one over here is 750. So because 250 times 3 is 750, so it works. You were broke. You can't buy better fertilizer. Okay, I'll just add that there, and you can't buy classic so here we go. So if I go Control-Shift-I, you can't buy classic fertilizer. Okay, so now if we go to the HTML code, let's add a title to this. So H2, and then go the store, Control S, go, so this is the store, can buy carrots, can I change this to, oops, what did I just do, buy carrot seeds, buy carrot seeds, buy carrot seed. I'll just do that. What if I make it so buy carrot seed, buy carrot seed, buy carrot, buy seed carrot, buy seed carrot. Yeah, let's just keep it by carrot seed. Buy carrot seed. And then make it so it's always BR. And over here as well, classic fertilizer BR. Over here, BR. BR stands for break, by the way. I'm pretty sure you guys know that, but just in case you didn't. So let's just give myself $100. And yeah, I can't buy classic fertilizer, don't have enough money. So money equals perfect, that's a good amount of money. Any normal human would have that much. So classic fertilizer, out of stock, classic fertilizer. And I can buy a bit of fertilizer, buy the carrot seed. Wait, how many carrot seeds can I buy? 1 second, I'll go see. Okay, the answer is this many carrot seeds, by the way. I just searched it up on Google, and then I added 584. So let's just see how much money that will give me. Control C, Control V, multiply it by 5. So it will give me that much. Minus that multiplied by 2. And then, okay, so this is how much money and profit I'd get. That's a lot of money and profit. So let's just reload that, get rid of all that. So here we go, that's the episode for the day. And hope you enjoyed. And goodbye.